आसान काम है. It is not at all easy. It is not at all easy. So
चलो किसी कॉलेज में गए हो या कोई ऐसे वो कॉन्सर्ट टाइप माहौल में वहाँ पे किसी ने कोई टाई मतलब उतारने की कोशिश की हो, कोई बटन तोड़ दिया हो, कोई जूतों के लेसेस को खोलने की, क्योंकि ऐसी
जूतों के लेसेस क्यों
ऐसे तो होता है ना भाई.
नहीं, I think वो थोड़ा I don't know. I just feel a bit conscious. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कभी ऐसा कुछ हुआ भी हो तो अगला embarrass हो जाएगा. तो I rather not mention it अगर कुछ ऐसा हुआ भी हो. So I think it's very kind of people to be very
That's what makes Fawad Khan the real gentleman that he is. Gentlemen, have you learned the tricks of the trade? Okay. Acha Fawad, when did you realize that you've become so famous? The first moment, you know, when that realization strikes you, when it dawns on you that, oh God, I've become like a phenomenon, huh?
I was asking for directions in the middle of the night. I think रात के 1 बजे थे. I had to go somewhere, which was near. नहीं रात के I think 9-10 बजे थे. I think Sycast जाना था मुझे for something for basically the parents. तो जो पुल एक आता है ये हमारे यहाँ मियाँ बीवी ब्रिज है I think जो सिद्दीक ट्रेड सेंटर के साथ में जो लाहौरियाँ के आते हैं तो ये शेरपाव. So I was just turning in and I just, pulled down my window and I asked him for directions. So when he first came up to me, he's like, "Oh, तुम तो वो हो यार." तो मैंने कहा जी कौन? He's like, "यार मैं आपका ड्रामा देखता था." I was very surprised that even a person who's on duty has time to watch it. So that was one of the instances where I realized, things are moving in the right direction.
Great. Okay, Fawad, any regrets in life? Everything turned out to be the way you planned it. You think you made no mistakes?
Not at all. नहीं, life. I think अगर आपको कोई ये बात कहे कि हाँ, life has turned out the way I planned it to be, he's the biggest liar. Yeah. He's even a bigger liar than an actor because that's what we're paid to do. We're paid to lie to you. So, but ऐसा नहीं होता. Life is extremely unplanned. I really wouldn't have imagined that it would have turned out this way. Sometimes at one point in time, even a little while ago, I think it is a bit ungrateful of me, aap keh lo, samajh lo, but it's not the case. I would think that maybe I should have done something else in life rather than become an actor. But I don't have any regrets. तो बहुत होते हैं, but to sit down and enumerate them, especially tonight, especially in front of such wonderful people who've actually come together for such a positive event, would be something extremely wrong. So I have nothing to complain about, at least not tonight. Not tonight.
Lot to thank God.
Lot to thank God.
And if you were not Fawad Khan, what would you be then?
I don't know. If I wasn't Fawad Khan, as if I didn't have the name Fawad Khan, if I wasn't this Fawad
No,
Khan,
if you were not the hero Fawad Khan.
I'd be my wife's hero.
Oh, wow.
Which I hope I still am.
That's a good answer. That's a good answer. And Fawad, you're here, you're endorsing this cause. Any special message that you would like to give our audience before I call on the children?
You guys are doing a great thing. People are doing a great thing. मतलब एक चीज़ तो मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि a while back मुझे इसमें मेरी भी हौसला अफजाई है. वो किस तरह है? वो इस तरह है कि you're actually willing to pay to come and either meet me or meet other artists, or you're just making an excuse out of that just to actually make things possible here. You people are just doing something that is amazing. It is लोग नहीं करते. लोग सिर्फ जब मतलब मौका आता है, कभी अल्लाह का शुक्र है ज़लज़ला आता है इस मुल्क में, कुछ होता है ऐसा भी, तो people are there to support others. But to do this on a regular basis, the way this is happening, the way Shaukat Khanum is traveling across the world, and people are continuously helping, and that shows that you believe in something, and that is something to really applaud. That is something to really applaud. And along with that, I just like to thank a couple of people tonight who made this event possible and invited me here. and gave me an excuse to be a part of this event. First of all, the host committee, जिनको Dr. Faisal भी congratulate कर चुके हैं, thank कर चुके हैं, Shazia Aman, Fiza Gilani, Nazi Atif, Savera Bhatt, Mahnaz Hussain. Thank you so much for putting this together here tonight, and along with them, I'd like to also thank the marketing department, specifically a lady, Naila Khan, who's constantly been, pursuing us.
Yeah, she's also a tireless worker.
To put this thing together. I don't need to really, you all are thanking him, Dr. Faisal himself. I'm sure, I think they're here tonight and they'll be performing, so for them to be a part of
Shazia
this
is also
event.
going to be joining us for that. Shazia Manzoor.
And Shazia,
Yeah.
I didn't know
Much
that.
loved Shazia Manzoor.
These three people, I hope you enjoy the evening with them. They're just as much a part of it as I am. Thank you so much.
Thank you for that. And